Hey guys, Woods Farm here, just doing another review. This is the Motomaster cordless work light, LED. I've got one of those old school trouble lights, but it's been kind of giving me problems the last couple times I used it. Doesn't want to turn on. And the problem with those old work lights is at least the one I have, it gets ridiculously hot after it's on for an hour or so. I've actually burnt myself with it more than once. So I was in Canadian Tire, I seen this, and I thought, well, that might be a way to replace that light. However, it was $39.99, and considering, it's just a plastic flashlight, I thought that was too much. But, as always, everything goes on sale on Canadian Tire. So I was in there today looking for a socket, and walking down the aisle, and lo and behold, this guy's on sale for 50% off. So I scooped it, and we're going to take a look and see if it's any good. There's not much to it. I'm not going to really go over the features. I'm just going to pull it out of the package here, charge it, and then we'll see how bright this thing is. I don't know if you guys hate blister packaging as much as I do, but I think it was invented by Satan. It's evil. I don't know why they can't just use, old school cardboard packaging, I don't know. I hate this stuff. You can never get it out of the package. And obviously, if you want to return this thing, good luck. This stuff's hazardous to your health. Yeah, it'll probably take me another 20 minutes to get this out. So that's the light. And it charges with a USB cable. The cable instructions, I'm not going to read those. So right out of the package, it's got a charge. That's not bad. It's got a flashlight setting. There's a magnet base. I don't know how. That's not bad. It's pretty strong. Plastic clip, that'll probably get snapped off, but we'll see. Good for hanging it under the hood. So I'm going to use this, and I'll report back and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we used the light for probably a good solid 3 or 4 hours last night, and finally killed the battery on it. I want to say it took about 4 or 5 hours to charge it. There's a little green light. It's red when you're charging, and then when it's charged it goes to green. So yeah, and we're using it again today. Seems pretty durable. In fact, I'd probably buy a second one. I like it a lot. It's small enough to get in the nooks and crannies. It's got the magnets and the hook. And I mean, the good thing about it is it's rechargeable, so you don't have to keep buying batteries. I got a couple other smaller flashlights, and I'm constantly buying batteries, partially because I forget to turn them off sometimes. So this thing, I like it a lot because it's rechargeable. Anyways, if you have any comments, questions, leave them below. And definitely subscribe if you want to see more reviews of Mastercraft and Motomaster type products from Canadian Tire. I'm going to be reviewing a lot of other stuff down the road. Anyways, thanks for watching.